particular session, I'll teach you how to insert a picture in a frame. Okay, and I'll show you different ways to do that. So click on this plus sign that is just showing at your left hand, and you can from there bring in a shape. So one of the things is that if something like this appear, you can click on elements. We are not looking for designs, so you're not looking for design, so you can be going this area, click on elements or other ones that are around there. So for this particular frame, if you want to insert frame, you click on elements. Okay, so when you click on elements, a lot of things will show up. So it will be showing you lines and shaped graphics, sticker, a lot of them. So be going down. Okay, be going down, you see where they write frames. I think some of you have seen it, frames. Okay, that means that those green thing you are seeing means that picture can be inserted into these things. And another way is that you can just search for frames here, cycle frames, or the kind of frames you want, and it will still bring results for you. Okay, so let's go. I want to the kind of things I want, I may not see it here, so I'll click on see more. Okay, so click on see more, and so these are frames. Okay, if you want to use a cycle frame, this particular cycle frame doesn't have what we call a borderline. So if the kind of one you want is a borderline cycle shape, it's fine for you. You can still go front. So you can see this one here is having um a border, but it's not the one we're looking for. So the network should be fast with us. Now, for example, look at this borderline of these two. They are different. The borderline of this is a little bit tiny. This is thicker. Okay, so just depends on what you want. Let me go on this because I think this is what I want for now. Okay, now that means a picture can be inserted into this. So please, I want you to check this. Now if I'm bringing this image on these things, it will enter, right? It will enter. So I can now move my frame up and down. Here you now see how we can bring a picture into a cycle frame. It's fine. But now, for example, this particular design we want to do, I want to use a red text and I want the background of this picture, the background of the picture to be red. Now if you want to make this background of this picture to be red, there are few ways to do this. Either you click on your page, like you click on your design page like this and pick a color. You understand? Now why is this affecting? Remember that this particular picture, we changed the background that time. We have changed the background, so we have not given any background color to this picture. So the background of the workspace is what it will be using. Do you understand? So let me go back to my white. I really want this picture to take its own background. So what I will do in a simple sense is that I'll click on my plus and I will bring in what we call a cycle frame. Okay, so that is a cycle shape. Okay, so I'll see my shapes here. Okay, so I'll look for cycle and pick a cycle. Okay, so now this cycle is carrying a different color that I don't want, but that is not my issue right now. I can actually change a color in a simple way. I can just click down here and just pick a color I want. Okay, so the issue now is that I just want it to be of the same size with this, so I'll just keep increasing until most of these things look the same size like this. Do you now see? So what I need to do is now is to send this particular shape to the back. I'll click on the shape that I want to send to the back and I'll go like this and go to more. Okay, or you can use the three arrow here or go to more, anyone you want to use. Okay, use them, then keep going to this side like this, then you come to a place there, right? Send to back and um send to back and send to front. Okay, why send to front here is not active is because it is at the front already, so there's no need for that kind of there's no need for that. So okay, so it's only active for send to back because the thing is already at the front. So let's send to back. Now you now see that it's working like this. The pictures are now, if I want to do anything now, they are not meshed together, everybody will be moving on its own. Okay, so the frame and the picture will be going away, but the shape that I just brought will not work. Okay, so what I need to do now is to learn how to mesh picture together.